police detective is called because a car registered in your name allegedly left the scene of an accident, what should you do? In two very simple words, shut up. If you watch any TV, you've seen million-dollar lawyers, celebrity lawyers in all kinds of celebrity cases repeat the same priceless legal advice for free. Don't say anything. There is nothing you are going to say that's going to help your case. You're not going to say, gee, it wasn't me, I wasn't there. Unless you can prove you were in Las Vegas and your car was stolen and you have video of you checking into the Wynn Hotel at the time it happened, then don't say a word, because the police are trained to at least get you to admit to being in the general area. Were you in Michigan on that night, Mr. X? Yes. Were you in the neighborhood of 12 Mile and DeQuinder? Yes. You've just put yourself near the scene of the crime, and it's only a matter of time before they rope you in. So the simple and best solution, don't say a word. Call a lawyer like me, we'll handle it for you.